Did you know that astronauts can't burp in space? Yep, that's right. No rude noises, the dinner table up there. Now you're probably wondering why, and that's exactly what we're here to explore. Welcome to our cosmic journey, a thrilling ride where we get to uncover some pretty wild things about space. And of course, the star of the show, NASA. It's a universe packed with enigmas, where every discovery leads to 1,000 more questions. Do you ever think about who's leading this quest? It's NASA, our very own National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Think of them as the superheroes of space exploration, always zooming off where no one has gone before since the year 1958. Their astronauts are like the Columbus of the cosmos, and their scientists, well, let's just say they're cooking up the future. They've taken us to the moon, toured us around the red plains of Mars, and even allowed us to peek into the far corners of the cosmos. But do we really know everything there is about NASA and their incredible feats? Turns out there's a whole lot of cool stories and facts that don't make it to the headlines. Today, we've got a special kind of countdown for you. We're going to take you through 10 of the most mind-blowing, unique and unknown facts about NASA. Starting with fact number 10, we'll work our way down to the most jaw-dropping revelation at number 1. Each fact is a testament to human creativity and our unquenchable thirst for knowledge. And it's not just about NASA's epic contributions to space exploration, but also the goofy, unexpected, and even laugh-out-loud moments make the journey so human. Whether you're a long-time space nerd or just stumbled upon us, we're thrilled to have you on board this spaceship of discovery. From moon theft and ice cream legends to lost tapes and Martian days, we're about to dive into the untold side of NASA. So, buckle up, and let's kick off the countdown with fact number 10. At number 10, we have the Great Lunar Heist. Picture the scene. The year is 2002. A young intern named Thad Roberts is working at none other than NASA's Johnson Space Center. His job? Cataloging moon rocks. But Thad, ever the romantic, had an idea. He decided to steal a safe full of lunar samples for his girlfriend. Quite the gift, don't you think? These weren't your average rocks. They were moon rocks, collected by the brave astronauts of the Apollo missions. With a value of up to $4,000 per gram, these were no ordinary pebbles. Thad, along with 2 accomplices, managed to pull off the audacious heist. But alas, their success was short-lived. The stolen lunar samples were recovered, and Thad was sentenced to 7 long years behind bars. Quite the romantic gesture, though it landed him a 7-year prison sentence. Coming in at number 9, we debunk the myth of NASA's astronaut ice cream. Now, who doesn't fancy the idea of tucking into a freeze-dried Neapolitan in zero gravity? However, the truth is a bit less sweet. Despite the popular belief, astronauts never actually had freeze-dried ice cream. It's a tale as old as the Apollo missions, yet it's nothing more than space-age folklore. You see, the idea of a crumbly, dehydrated dessert floating around the cabin was less than appealing to the folks at NASA. It also didn't meet the practical necessities of space food, which needs to be easy to consume and nutritionally balanced. This has been confirmed on NASA's official website, dashing our dreams of interstellar ice cream parties. So next time you buy astronaut ice cream, remember, it's just a novelty. A fun and delicious novelty, yes, but a space fact it is not. Number 8 takes us to the farthest man-made object in space. This is the Voyager's golden record, a disk unlike any other. It is a time capsule of humanity, our hello to the cosmos. The golden record is a 12-inch gold-plated disc containing sounds and images selected to portray the diversity of life and culture on Earth. A masterpiece of human achievement, it's a mixtape for the universe. From Mozart to Chuck Berry, from greetings in 55 languages to the sound of a mother's first words to her newborn, the record encapsulates the essence of our planet. The Voyager spacecraft carrying the golden record has left our solar system and continues to travel through interstellar space. It's a beacon of our existence, a testament of our curiosity, and a symbol of our aspiration to reach out to the cosmos. This may well be our first introduction to an alien civilization. Fact number 7 debunks another popular space myth. Let's talk about the misconception that NASA splurged millions developing a pen that could write in the weightless expanse of space, while our Russian counterparts simply employed a pencil. The reality is far from it. Pencils despite their simplicity, pose a significant risk in space. Bits of graphite and wood shavings could float around, potentially damaging equipment or posing a serious fire hazard in the oxygen-rich environment of a spacecraft. The space pen, on the other hand, was not a NASA invention. It was brought to life by a shrewd businessman named Paul C. Fisher, who independently developed and patented the anti-gravity pen. Fisher then sold these pens to NASA, and later to the Russians as well, proving that it wasn't a race but a common goal for safe and efficient space travel. So, the pen isn't mightier than the pencil, at least not in space. At number 6 we have a case of missing tapes. Now, you might think NASA, the pinnacle of space exploration, would be a stickler for record-keeping, but surprisingly, there's a curious case of some highly significant lost footage. We're talking about the original tapes of the moon landing, one of the most monumental moments in human history. In a twist of fate, these tapes were misplaced, their whereabouts unknown to this day. Imagine that the first steps of mankind on the lunar surface, the first words spoken, the breathtaking panorama of the moon's landscape, all captured on tape, and then poof, they vanish into thin air. But don't fret, dear listeners. Despite this unfortunate mishap, we still have the footage of that historic event. Thankfully, the moon landing was broadcasted live across the globe and recorded elsewhere. So we didn't lose that precious moment after all. A small step for man, but a huge loss for NASA. Fact number 5 is about the slowest speed record. Now, isn't that a twist? When we think about space travel, speed is usually the name of the game. We often marvel at the sheer velocity that rockets and spaceships can achieve. But let's flip the script and talk about the slowest speed record, ironically set by none other than Apollo 10. Yes, you heard that right, Apollo 10, the same Apollo 10 that holds the title for being the fastest manned vehicle in history. In the vast expanse of space, it holds the record for the slowest speed. It's almost like a cosmic joke, isn't it? A spacecraft known for its blistering speed also being the one to crawl at the slowest pace. It just goes to show that in space everything is relative. Speed, distance, time, they all take on new meanings. Fast or slow, Apollo 10 definitely made history. Coming in at number 4, we have the tale of the NASA worm. This isn't your garden variety invertebrate. Oh no, it's the iconic NASA logo that sparked quite the controversy. You see, when it was first introduced in 1975, it was a radical departure from the original meatball logo. The sleek, simple lines that spelled out NASA were seen as modern and progressive by some. But not everyone was enamored. Many employees felt that the new logo lacked the history and gravity of the original insignia. They missed the stars, the vector, and the red, white, and blue color scheme. It was a branding revolution that not all were ready to embrace. After 18 years of service, the worm was retired in 1992, and the meatball made its triumphant return. Yes, my friends, even NASA, the pioneers of space exploration, aren't immune to branding issues. Even NASA has branding issues. Fact number 3 takes us to Mars. Brace yourselves as we delve into the peculiarities of a Martian day. Now, a day on our home planet, Earth, takes 24 hours, give or take a few minutes, right? Well, not on Mars, my friends. You see, a day on the red planet, also known as a sol, is approximately 24 hours and 37 minutes long. That's right, 37 minutes longer than our earthly day. Now imagine being a Mars rover operator. Your work schedule would be on Mars time, not Earth time. This means your day would shift by about 37 minutes each day relative to the clock. Over time, you'd be working at all hours of the day and night, Earth time. This phenomenon is often referred to as Mars lag, a form of jet lag experienced by those operating rovers on Mars. Who knew that working on Mars could give you jet lag? And finally, our most amazing fact about NASA at number 1. Picture this, a solitary spacecraft christened Voyager 1 embarks on an epic journey. The year is 1977, and Voyager 1 is tasked with a mission unlike any other. Its destination? The stars beyond our solar system, and it succeeded. Yes, that's right. Voyager 1 is the only spacecraft in history to have left the confines of our solar system and ventured into the vast expanse of interstellar space. It's an achievement that is as mind-boggling as it is monumental. This tiny emissary of humanity, billions of miles from home, continues its journey, transmitting invaluable data back to us. It's a testament to the ingenuity, courage, and relentless pursuit of knowledge that defines NASA. And that's it. From thefts and myths to lost tapes and branding issues, NASA certainly has a rich and fascinating history. So there you have it, 10 amazing facts about NASA. We've traversed the cosmos, from the daring opening of the space frontier to the audacious lunar heist. We've debunked the myth of astronaut ice cream and the expensive pen, and marveled at the grandeur of the golden record. We've delved into the mystery of the lost tapes and chuckled at the slowest speed record in the universe. We've admired the simplicity of the NASA worm logo and contemplated the peculiar length of a Martian day. And finally, we've basked in the awe-inspiring grand finale of a space mission. Each of these facts, each of these stories, has painted a picture of NASA that is as diverse and exciting as the universe itself. Thank you for joining us on this space journey. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars.